Hello children, welcome in our digital class. Myself, Mrs. Ashwini Rohit Satpute from Advocate Bapu Saheb Bonde High School, Lonavala. Today I am going to teach you the subject of English 2. In this subject, today we will learn grammar section. Children, can you tell me? How many vowels are there? Yes, 5 vowels. And which are they? They are A, E, I, O, U. And 21 consonants in the English language. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. So children, today we will learn our next chapter, chapter number 3, and articles. Children, can you tell me how many articles are there in the English language? No. Okay, don't worry. I will teach you. In the English language, 3 articles are there. They are a, an, the. So, today we will learn the use of article a and the use of article an. When we use article a, we are using article a before consonant sounds. Which nouns starting with consonant sounds, that time we will use a article a. Children, we will see some examples. First, a tiger, a chair, a mango, a sharpener, a book, a ball. Children, see, in these examples, all nouns are starting with consonant sounds. See, tiger. This noun starting with the consonant sound of T. That's why we use before this noun article a tiger. Like this, the chair also starting with consonant sound of C. That's why we use before this noun article a. So children, now you understood when we use article a. Now we will see when we use article an. We use article an before vowels sound. We will see examples. An elephant, an orange, an ink pot, an apple, an aeroplane, an umbrella. Children, see, in these examples, elephant is starting with the vowel sound of E. That's why we use here the article of an. That's why we are saying an elephant. Next, orange. Orange is starting with the vowel sound of O. That's why we are using here the article of an. So we are saying an orange. Ink pot. This starting with I. That's why we are saying an ink pot. So we use article an before vowel sound. So children, what we learn today? Today we learn articles a and the. And when use article an, we use article an before vowel sound. And we use article a before consonant sound. I hope you all are understood this. Very good. Thank you children. Bye bye. Stay home. Stay safe.